everyone, we are back with another premium project. Today we will showcase you this luxurious and lavish project called Ace Parkway in Sector 150 Noida. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can also follow us on our social media handles. The link will be in the description box. This is your one and only host Akshita and now let's get the tour started. अब हम इसकी लोकेशन की बात करें तो सेक्टर 150 इज़ अ प्राइम लोकेशन राइट नेक्स्ट टू नोएडा ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे। मेट्रो की बात करें तो सेक्टर 148 इज जस्ट 2 minutes ड्राइव अवे। हॉस्पिटल्स एंड स्कूल्स आर ऑल्सो नियर बाय। मैं आपको हमारी पुरानी वीडियोस में सेक्टर 150 की डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन दे चुकी हूँ। आप ऊपर दिए हुए आई बटन में क्लिक करके उनको देख सकते हैं। एस पार्कवे की बात करें सो इट इज़ ऑन टोटल लैंड एरिया ऑफ 11.25 acres। पूरा लो डेंसिटी एरिया है एंड 3 साइडेड ओपन प्रोजेक्ट है। इसके जस्ट अपोजिट हमारा 42 acres का शहीद भगत सिंह पार्क है। सो दैट स्पीक्स वॉल्यूम टू द ग्रीनरी दैट दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज ऑफरिंग। इसके जस्ट नेक्स्ट हमारा सिटी सेंटर बन रहा है दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट इन सेक्टर 150। In total we have 11 towers जिसमें we have 970 flats। आपको यहाँ पे ground plus 21 floors in ground plus 25 floors मिलेंगे। The apartments are available in 2, 3, 4 BHK category and penthouses as well। So आपको काफ़ी options मिलते हैं जिसमें से you can choose your perfect home। Now let me take you to the entrance lobby। So we have this double height fully air conditioned lobby and it looks dazzling with this stunning chandelier. And in this lobby we have this reception desk area and to my left we have this beautiful waiting lounge. Now moving along we have our lift lobby area and iska ambience is mind blowing. And the door that you are seeing over there iske just behind हमारा landscape area है। सो अपार्टमेंट की तरफ जाते हुए आपको हर फ्लोर पे 4 अपार्टमेंट मिलेंगे। लेट मी फर्स्ट शो यू द सैम्पल फ्लैट एंड देन आई शो यू द रॉ अपार्टमेंट जिस फॉर्म में ये आपको मिलेगा। सो स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड। सो दिस इज आवर 3 BHK सैम्पल फ्लैट दैट कम्स अंडर 1750 square feet। सो कम along with me। As we enter, we have our living and dining space। This is definitely a work of art। We have wooden texture flooring with false ceiling and then we have a 6-seater dining table that has been put very well and everything goes perfect with each other। The interior is designed by Gauri Khan and to weave sophistication into their interiors, she has opted for rich materials and textures and strategic lighting to lend a feel which is classic and timeless chic। Now to our living space, we have this attached balcony। Through this balcony, we have this beautiful park view. Just look at it। Now let's move forward। So this is the passage that leads us to our bedrooms and to our kitchen। So first let's move to our kitchen। So this is our modular kitchen with the utility balcony जहाँ पर आप अपनी washing machine या dishwasher रख सकते हैं according to your own preference। We have our dedicated fridge area and the best part कि यहाँ पर आपको dry and wet area separate करके दिया हुआ है। Even the sockets are complementing the whole kitchen। It looks very classic। This is our common washroom which has a wall mounted WC and all the fittings are branded. And this is also connected to our first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. You can definitely take some ideas from the interior of this room. We have an attached balcony or you can say a utility space. This is our second bedroom that has an attached washroom and also a window. It is designed to take the luxury and comfort to the next level. बहुत ही डिटेल्ड इसका इंटीरियर है. Everything is so precise and gives a different mood to each and every room. We even have this leather finish cupboards that has automatic lighting inside. This is our master bedroom, which also has a private and attached balcony that I'll show you later. First, just look at this room, how mesmerizing it looks. It is a perfect blend of classic and cozy interior. We have our dressing area over here, and now to our stunning. When I say stunning, I literally mean it. Just look at this, how beautiful this washroom looks. We also have a storage space, with all the perfect interior and premium brands. This washroom gives you a feeling of luxurious and posh lifestyle. To our private balcony now. So this is our balcony. This is quite a huge balcony that also has a park facing view. You can customize and personalize it according to your own taste. Well, that was the complete tour of our sample apartment. Now I'll give you a walkthrough of a raw apartment, or you can say our actual apartment. Well, that was the complete tour. And now if we talk about why you should buy this property or why InvestMango recommend this property. So as I told you earlier, ये पूरा project 11.24 acres में spreaded है, जिसमें 4.5 acres का हमारा central park है and 3 acres में we have sports arena, जिसमें we have a very different and unique concept. यहाँ पे आपको 51 different types of indoor and outdoor games मिलेंगे. ये आपको एक ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी देता है एंड इसी के साथ साथ ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट वास्तु कॉम्प्लिएंट है. आपको यहाँ की एमिनिटीज़ के साथ ही साथ स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर के भी फायदे मिलते हैं. वी हैव गोल्फ कोर्स, बास्केटबॉल स्टेडियम, क्रिकेट स्टेडियम एंड मैनी मोर. ग्रीन एनवायरनमेंट एंड सूदिंग व्यू के साथ ही साथ वी हैव एन एक्सेलेंट रोड नेटवर्क. द लोकेशन एंड द एमिनिटीज़ दैट एस पार्कवे इज ऑफरिंग इज परफेक्ट फॉर एनी होम बायर. Words won't do much justice to its beauty. So if you have any query or you want to do a site visit, please contact us at the below mentioned number and our portfolio manager will be in contact with you as soon as possible. Do not forget to like, comment and share the video. Bye bye. We will see you next time.